Good evening everyone. Myself GP Lohita. I am Civil Department second year BTech first semester. Today my topic is bulking of columns in Euler's theorem. Bulking of columns Euler's theorem. Introduction to column bulking and Euler's theorem. This presentation covers the concept of column bulking using Euler's theorem. It explains the importance of stability analysis in structural engineering. Euler's theorem provides a basis for understanding bulking in cylinder columns. What is column bulking? Column bulking refers to the sudden failure or bulking of a cylinder column under axial load. It occurs when the compressive forces exceed the critical load, causing lateral deformation. Understanding bulking is essential for designing safe and effective structural elements. Fundamental of Euler's bulking theory. Euler's bulking theory predicts the critical load at which a perfect cylinder column will bulk. It assumes the column is perfectly straight, elastic, and pen-ended at both ends. The critical load depends on the column's length, material properties, and cross-sectional geometry. Limitation of Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem applies primarily to long cylinder and perfectly elastic columns. It does not account for im- intersection, residual stresses or material non-linearities. For short or thick column, alternative methods like the use or ranking formulas are more appropriate. Practical applications of Euler's theorem. Engineering uses Euler's formula to design columns in bridges, towers, and buildings. It helps in obtaining material use while ensuring safety against bulking. The theorem guides the selections of cross-sectional dimensions and supported conditions. Factors affecting bulking behavior. Information in the column shape or material can reduce the actual bulking load below the theoretical practice. Axial load eccentricity causes additional bending moments, inflection stability. Environmental factors like temperature and load directions can also impact bulking performance. The environmental forces like temperature and load directions can also impact bulking performance, and axial load eccentricity causes additional bending moments, inflection stability. The actual bulking load below the theoretical participation. Conclusion and summary. Euler's theorem provides a fundamental understanding of bulking in cylinder columns. Accurate calculation of the critical load is vital for safe structural designing. Considering limitations and real world information ensure renewable and efficiency engineering solutions. Thank you.